Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Unong yalam ka BJP uba Alexander Elhek uba longru Menteri ke Sorkar Jala ula kam lupa ba ka BJP kala banjom arpo Lypa seat ha ka election syaka ying dorbar thauan kapan salong ha usnam arajar arpupra. Ha ka jingkran bat kilat pathai khubor ula ong ba ha Meghalaya ka jingjob bat ka jingram ka syongbet ha ka jingtrei jong ubri usimen ha ka party. Ha ka baydey bat ka election ka Bansalong ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ubahek ulapan pau ya ka jingsngokmen ba ka BJP ka job bon seat ha ka nikakinti.
So BJP, one political party among all the political parties, who's working every now and then, means 24/7. This is the party which is never working only during the election. They are working throughout only, the BJP, to strengthen the party. All the political parties, including BJP, always we have to go through challenges only. It's not an easy task to get the mass to support to one party. So this is the mind of the people. That has to be, we keep in touch with the people. And the challenges we have to keep in touch with them. Work for the welfare of the people. Work for the benefit of the people. Then only people will have faith on our political party. Yes, the incident that is happening, but this is not directly involved by BJP. It is involved by some organization where the social media has created, it is blaming the BJP. So that is not happening only in that other state. Even it's happening in Meghalaya also. Suppose 1-2 incident happen on Meghalaya, can you blame the entire Meghalaya like that? That cannot be blamed. No. Election will come, election will go. But a party who are continuously working for the welfare of the people, only the people will have faith on that political party.
So another issue, there is a thinking that an assessment is being made that at least you will get assessing the constituencies, 25 seats BJP would have got or would be getting.
I'm not getting
25 assembly seats, you have the possibility of winning.
Yes, we have potential. So potential for almost 20 to 30 seats are very potential for the BJP in the upcoming general election. But that also in Meghalaya is the other way around. In Meghalaya, it depends also on the candidate and the personality of the person. Not entirely depend only on that political party. It's not happening only BJP. I'm talking about the other political parties also. Say for example, if we talk about Congress or we talk about NPP, you talk about TMC or any other political party, the party is there, but it should depend on the candidates. At a very, very safe way, we are looking for almost 40 seats. So we can, we can zero down to 20 to 30 seats. The coming of candidate is always be open. We are welcome. So, but only the time will be a great healer. The time will tell us.